My name is Eric, and I'm here with Anand and Derek. Today we will be introducing the R package called Broom. Broom was particularly designed to work with the dplyr package that we've used in class, and it has three primary functions: tidy, augment, and glance. These functions are used to take hard-to-read output from the built-in R functions, and it cleans them up and puts them into a data frame. It's important to clean this R output because it makes performing analysis much more efficient and easier to read, and it's easier to get more done in less time. So first, let's enable the Broom package. And now we'll look at the built-in data set called chick weight, and this data set just contains information regarding chick weight with regards to time. And I'll print out the first 6 lines with the head function just so we can see what it is we're working with. So yeah, as you can see, there's a weight variable, time variable, and then a variable denoting which chick we're looking at, as well as its diet. Now I'll hand it over to Anand to do a fit line.
Next, let's say that we want to make a linear fit using the weight and time. We can accomplish this by using the lm function. The lm function creates a model using the variables we specify and the dataset that we are using. In this case, we're using chick weight. So let's store this model in a variable called chickens, and let's take a look at its output. As we can see, the only return values for this model is the intercept and the slope. Although this information can be used to estimate chick weight based on time, it fails to give information on the model's accuracy. One way to obtain more information about this model is to use the tidy function. The function creates a data frame that summarizes the model statistics. So let's store the function into a variable called t and look at its output. As you can see, the output from the tidy function includes standard error values as well as p-values, allowing for a more in-depth analysis of the model. Now let's say that chick weight may contain an extreme outlier. To check for this, we can use the function augment. Augment adds additional columns to the original data, including residuals and predictions. So let's store this function in a variable called a, and there are going to be a lot of observations. So let's just take a look at the first 6 using the head function. As you can see, this function provides information on each observation, including residuals, half values, Cook's distance, as well as others. This allows an analyst to look for observations that could skew results. Next, Derek is going to talk to you about the glance function.
Now that we've seen the large output from the tidy and augment functions, you may be asking yourself if there was an option to get a short summary of the model. Luckily, Broom's function glance does just that. Let's store this in variable g and take a look at its output. As we can see, glance returns a one-row summary of the model. The row contains key statistics such as r-squared value and deviance. That concludes our short review on the Broom package's primary functions. Remember that if you run into any issues while using these functions, you can open a help page by typing each function name with a leading question mark. This also works for the package's name, Broom. If the function help page does not provide the information you are looking for, you can go to this URL. The page includes a more detailed explanation of each function, a bit of information on the package's history, and some more examples of how the package could be used. We hope this helps you understand a little more about the Broom package.